I'd like to present to you CJ and Howdy. Come on out.
I'm Colleen, and there sure is a lot of women out here.
Would you like for all the women to wave at you?
Yeah.
All you women out there waving, Howdy.
Ooh. Can I marry all of them?
No, I believe that's just a little bit against the law of marrying all of them.
Then can I just choose one of them? Maybe the redhead one?
Redheaded one. Where's she at?
Oh,
There she is. Won't that redheaded one stand up? She's married. That's our pastor's wife. Do what?
I love the red hair.
You love red hair?
Yeah.
How come?
Because I got red hair.
Oh, that's good. Well, that's our pastor's wife, so she's not available.
Oh, that pastor, I guess he hasn't seen the commercial about Rogaine for men.
You say he hasn't seen the commercial about Rogaine for men?
Yeah.
It's a good thing you go to first assembly, not second, because he's probably preached to you Sunday. Well,
What about that black-haired lady over there?
well, there's several that's got black hair, but some of them got a little white in it. Is it all black? That's Charlie's wife. She's married too.
Well, I knew something attracted me to her. She's short like me. Her mother must have fed her condensed milk like mine did. What about that white-haired lady? That lady over there with the white-haired man, I mean.
Oh, the man's white haired.
Yeah. He has the same name as God. Why do you say that? The Lord's Prayer says that herald be thy name. That's hallowed be thy name.
How about all of you single women raising your hand? Just, how about raising them up so we can see how many there are?
Cecilia. Got some over there too.
Why are you so interested in girls? I want to get married. I heard that marriages are made in heaven, so Spender invite me. I heard a woman say that she was married by a judge, but her husband said that he should have hired a jury.
Now, marriage is a very serious step. You know, marriage is an institution.
But I'm not ready for institution.
You will be if you get married. It's a lifetime commitment.
I've been doing a lot of thinking about that cute girl over there.
Was she single?
Yeah,
She was. Did she raise her hand a while ago?
yeah.
Which one are you talking about? You mean Cecilia?
Yeah. Yeah, I wrote a poem for her.
You wrote a poem?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, we better have her come up here so you can.
I also have some candy for her too.
Candy?
Yeah.
Is it in a heart-shaped box?
No.
No?
I just think it's in the desk. Yeah.
You want me to give the candy to her as you read the poem?
Yeah. You
Okay.
get the candy.
Okay, you can stand right over there on the other side of it.
Let's see here. When I first saw you, my heart went crunch. And my legs turned to gutter fingers. My head was a starter-studded wonder. And my ears were a symphony of joy. the drugstore's heyday. I knew that not across the renowned of Earth, or up the Milky Way, or even over the Mars. And what I find in our wonderful world. So now I'm going to zero in. If you will be my bit, oh honey. I will be your big hunk. Give kisses for now and later.
Thank you, thank you. Am I done?
Do you know who was the first couple to fall in love? Do you mean Adam and Eve? Yes. Did you know that God was angry with Adam and Eve? Why was God angry at them? Because they are gamblers. Gamblers? Yeah, the Bible says that God took away their pair of dice.
We want to thank Cody and CJ and Howdy for coming out tonight.
Hi, I'm Dale.
Hi, Waldo.
Oh, I just don't think that I'm ready to do this.
You're ready, boy. You're ready. You're 40 years old. And me and your mama, we had a long talk, and boy, it's time that you do the right thing.
But Paul,
Don't butt me, boy. Don't butt me, boy. Come on. You owe it to you, and you owe it to her, and you owe it to yourself, you owe it to your mama, and you owe it to me.
well, I guess maybe you're right. I guess I've known her for a long time.
Well,
I guess I gotta do the right thing.
Well, you know what you got to do. You just got to go over there to Duffy's store, and he has this nice, big, shiny one behind the counter. She deserves it, and it will look good on her. You know that. And let your mama and me know how it comes out, okay?
All right. I'll call y'all in the morning, because if everything goes good,
Well, you
I'm
better-
gonna tie Ivana to the Valentines.
You better do it, boy.
If I got any money.
Be a man. Suck it up and do it, boy.
All right, Dad, okay. Hey, Mr. Duffy.
Hey, Waldo.
Hey.
What can I do for you today?
Well, Daddy said, hey, that must be what he's talking about.
What's that?
Oh, that big shiny one. Oh, she's yeah.
Well, Waldo, this isn't cheap, buddy.
Yeah, hang on a minute. Let's see. I got $6. Is that good enough for down payment?
Well, I don't know.
That's all I got.
Well, I guess.
Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. Well, this is gonna work out, Chad. Man, I can't believe it. I bet you there's not another one like this county. Sure appreciate it.
Waldo,
You know, I just don't know about this.
you're gonna make her happy.
Yeah,
Real happy.
I am.
You know, she's special.
Yeah, she is.
Now, I don't want you going and getting all nervous now and getting fumble fingers. Because if you get fumble fingers, that's bad. So, what I want you to do is go up and show her that you're the man and you know what's best.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So head up, head up, head up. Shoulders back. You're the boss. Go.
You know, you're right, Mr. Guppy. A man's got to do what a man's
That's it.
got to do.
Good luck.
Hi, Annabelle.
You'll never believe what I just heard. Guess
What? What are you so excited about?
I heard old man Diefendorfer talking to Waldo. Listen, you're gonna get engaged.
What? Are you sure?
You are, I promise. Listen to this. He said, it's time to make it right with her. And he said, he needs to be a man. And don't be a fumble fingers when you put it on her.
Oh my goodness, I don't believe it. I'm so excited. After all these years that I have dated him, I can't believe it. Just think, instead of being Ivana Ring, I'll be Mrs. Waldo Buford Diefendorfer. I think I'm gonna cry. Don't you cry, 'cause if you cry, I know I'm gonna cry. It's been so long, I can't believe it. I know I need to go to the barn and wait on him.
Well, I gotta get ready for the church social tonight. It's gonna take me an hour to get the sucker out of jail.
My maid of honor.
Oh yes, oh yes.
See you later, Annabelle.
Remember all the details.
Long day, but I guess I better go home and see Ma. Close the door up. Hope business is better tomorrow. Only sold 2 items today, but pays the bills. Don't do it.
There you are, girl. Oh, don't move now. I've got something I need to tell you. But before I do, to make things easier for you, I done went and wrote myself, or wrote you a poem, not myself, you a poem. Saying, this is the way it goes. Oh. The night was dark and the moon was high. We was all alone, just you and I. Your hair is brown and your eyes are too. There's something, girl, I need to do. Your face is cool and the rest of you is fine. To make you relax, I run my finger down your spine. I don't want to scare you. I will do my best. But please don't run away until you hear the rest. Now, I spent my last dollar on something new. It's round and it's shiny, it's just for you. Oh boy. I hope you don't mind. I think it's proper to do this on one knee. But I think you'll be ready if you don't run from me. So we're going to be together for the rest of our lives, and we're going to be together if one of us don't die. So bear with me, girl, for I'm kind of shy and I don't know how. For you see, this is my first experience milking a cow. You get that idea?
Because Annabelle thought she overheard you talking to your pa, and he said that you needed to be a man finally, and that you needed to make it right by her, meaning me, after all these years, and that there was a big shiny one behind the counter. I just knew you was buying me an engagement ring.
No. I went and bought Bessie Lou a brand new shiny bell.
Bessie Lou the cow? You care more about Bessie Lou the cow than you do me?
Just don't get mad at me. I mean, you should never even showed up.
Waldo Buford Diefendorfer, I am gonna kill you!
Ow! Wait a minute! Those things could kill a horse! Let me out here, somebody! Get me out of here right now!
Just a regular knockhead.
He trains with my brothers.
Who's your brother?
Howdy.
Oh. For those of you that might be interested, Howdy goes to church and sits on the front row. I don't know how Brother Florence ever preached with him sitting there, but he did. Okay, anything else to say?
No.
You ask how much I want you.
John Mathis.
I want to thank everybody that helped to make this banquet possible, and that includes all of you, because without you, we couldn't have had one. So, welcome to stay in business as long as you'd like. If you'd like to stay and help clean up, we'd appreciate that too. You're free to do what you want.